Catholics are not Christians.
Prepare yourself, because today's video will be really stupid. Today I have chosen to look at short clips from several flat earthers that they make silly claims. Is someone surprised silly claims from flat earthers? They are as usual stupid. Okay, let's start with the first one. The first fool we look at is Flatzoid, and he is a bit confused about who is Christian and not. This is from one of Flatzoid's live streams, and they are looking at a Christian channel that are debunking Flatzoid.
Like I explained to you, Aquinas can be not used as authority for the Bible because he was a damn Catholic. Catholics are not Christians.
Okay, I'm not a Christian, but I'm 100% sure that Flatzoid, as usual, is totally wrong.
Okay, you know what? Alright, gloves off. Gloves are off. I was trying to be nice. I was trying to give him credit because he had the integrity to come in and say something on the stream. Gloves are off. Listen, Flatzoid perspective, you're a fucking idiot. You are probably one of the dumbest, most narcissistic, arrogant jackasses I've ever had the displeasure of having to view. Your content makes Mind Unveiled looks revelatory. Oh my god! Oh, I hope you don't reproduce. Because if you did, it would be a tragedy for the entire human race. If your genes were to continue into the eternal seed of humanity, it would be a net negative not just for us, but probably for any other races of existence that might be out there in the stars, including God's angels. You are possibly the worst thing to ever happen to modern discourse, and honestly, if I wasn't drinking, I think I'd shoot myself.
I think this young gentleman did describe Flatzoid quite well. Let's move on to the next fool. Time to look at the next fool. And who is that? CC.
Come by here. How you doing? Oh, come on. Just because the earth is flat doesn't mean you have to run away. It's the truth. I know, you don't want to know the truth. All right, come here. All right. Now, how could you...
Poor CC, he's not even able to convince a bird that we live on a flat earth. Oh, let's move on.
Let's just do a recap on the week. Another disappointing week, I have to say, for objects in the sky and beneath us. Well, it's not an object. It was an earthquake that New York had that I didn't even know happened. I was in the car, standing still in a parking lot, and I felt dick. It wasn't until I turned the radio on at like 10:34 and they just said we had a 2.3 or 8 earthquake or something like that. I didn't feel shit. I did hear a strange noise, but I just thought it was one of those ridiculous trucks. So bust on that one, and bust on the eclipse. Shit, you know, that sucks. That really sucks. I didn't even get to see that because I didn't have glasses and I was working. It's the middle of the afternoon. What the fuck? You know, people have jobs.
Sorry CC, then you have to talk to them who is in charge for earthquakes and eclipse. They can't have these happenings when you're working. Oh dear.
So, we even have it here. This is free Pakistan. This is See, these people are paid, okay? They're all fucking paid. All of them are paid. Every single one of them.
CC, who is paying them and why? And then the last fool for this video, Aloha from Florida.
So several months ago now, I did my own little research online looking at airplanes transiting between the Earth and the Moon. And then there's not a whole lot of them. And then I found the pictures of the ISS transiting between the Earth and the Moon. They're just about the same size. If the ISS were the size that they claim and the distance that they claim, you would never see it. 253 miles, but yet the airplanes only 7 miles away look about the same size as the ISS. So at best, the ISS is 10 to 15 miles away, traveling 1,000 to 1,500 miles per hour, some type of mocked up high altitude aircraft.
Oh, I found a video from the cockpit from ISS. Oh dear, I don't think I can handle more stupidity today, so I will end this video here. I hope you liked it. I'll be back soon. Bye.